Hi, welcome to this video. Today we will install AlienVault OSSIM. After we open the ISO file, the first thing we'll need to do is to decide if we want to install AlienVault OSSIM, which is really the software itself, the server, or if we want to install AlienVault Sensor. AlienVault Sensor is something that we will install wherever we want to collect information from. But since this is the first time we're running it, we're going to need that server first. So I'm going to pick the first option and hit enter. We'll choose English as our language. I'm going to skip this forward in the interest of time, but this took about a half an hour. Of course, it will depend on your system speed. I'll choose my primary network interface. Now I'm going to assign it a static IP, and I will direct it to my default gateway, which is also my DNS server. Now remember, the software is running on top of Linux Debian, which means that it has its own root user, so we need to pick a password for that first. We're going to let it reboot, and then it's going to start up our server. We're going to connect to it using a web browser. Here I'm going to have to provide my name. I'm going to choose a password. This is a different password than the one we set before. This is for this administrator account. It's not for the root account. Put in my email address, company name, and I'm going to skip the location. Great, so now we're going to log in with our admin user and the password we chose in the previous screen and hit login. And that's it, we're in. In the next few videos, we'll dive in deeper. I'll see you next time. Hey, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for this video. Also hit the bell icon so you can get notifications about our new videos just as they come out. We'll see you next time.